about yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. Today I'm showing you my lazy but super secure way I like to apply my wig, and I'm using the hair from Luxury Hair Dealer. So I'm gonna wear this wig pretty much all weekend. There's no concealer, foundation, anything on the inside. I'm just gonna put it straight on. Perfect, a little bit more. All right. This is usually super quick. I usually do it in the bathroom, so it's much quicker. But what is this? Got to Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray, and I just spray it straight across my hairline. I also spray a little bit on my actual hair, since it is just hairspray. I got like a bald spot right here and right here. It's just like on both sides of my temples, which is really weird, and it's never grown ever in my life. I'm gonna just let that dry for like 30 seconds. Usually when I do this, my makeup isn't done, so it's not that big of a mess, but it does tend to get a little bit more messy with my makeup done. Now I'm just gonna pull it forward and place it. Then I just go ahead and lay my baby hair down, first with my Eco Styler gel. When I tell you this takes me 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. If I wasn't on camera and I wasn't explaining and trying to make sure I'm in the frame and everything, it would be honestly 5 minutes. And I love doing this because the gel mixed with the spray really makes my wig stay on. Like, it's so secure, it's going nowhere. I love this method because I'm lazy and it's quick and it works. I'm speeding through this part right now just because I showed it a little bit more detail on the initial review, so make sure you check it out if you haven't seen it, if you're interested on how I precisely lay these baby hairs down. Now that they are gelled down to my liking, I'm gonna take this freeze blast and just spray it. This is also going to ensure, oopsie, that the wig stays down and doesn't move. And this will last me, oh man, my eyebrow. Don't do this with makeup on. This will last me about 3-4 days. If I needed to last longer, I'm sure it would. I haven't really tested it because I don't leave it on that long. I haven't found a need to have a wig on for that long yet. I like to take mine off. Back in the day, I used to like to go to sleep in my wigs, but now, no thank you. So I'm just making sure these are the way I want them to be, because once I put my scarf on, that is how the hair is gonna stay. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna take my scarf and I'm gonna lay it down for about, I usually would do until I got dressed, and you can see here like it's lifting up a little bit. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Scarf. So usually I would leave my scarf on while I wet my hair, apply my product, and brush through it with my dimming brush. It doesn't take long for it to set in place because the hairspray works really quickly. That is how I lay my wig. Really quick, really simple, really easy. Once again, this hair is from Luxury Hair Dealer. I have a whole review on it if you want to check it out. I'll put the link to it in the description. Quick, easy. Leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.